Does Kraken have a bank? Intro. Sound of a digital coin flipping. Narrator, ever wondered if your crypto exchange, like Kraken, has a traditional bank? It's a question that's been swirling around the crypto community for a while. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kraken and exploring whether this popular exchange has a brick-and-mortar bank to call its own. Part 1. Understanding Kraken and Traditional Banks. Narrator, let's start by understanding what Kraken and traditional banks are. Kraken is a digital asset exchange platform, meaning it's a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Traditional banks, on the other hand, are financial institutions that offer a wide range of services, including savings accounts, loans, and checking accounts. Narrator, the key difference between the two lies in their underlying assets. Kraken primarily deals with digital assets, while traditional banks deal with fiat currencies like dollars, euros, and yen. Part 2. The myth of the Kraken Bank. Narrator, the rumor that Kraken has a bank has been circulating for quite some time. Many people assume that because it's a large and reputable exchange, it must have a physical bank to back up its operations. However, this is a misconception. Narrator, Kraken does not operate a traditional bank in the sense that you might think. It doesn't have branches, ATMs, or tellers. Instead, it relies on a network of banking partners to facilitate certain aspects of its business. Part 3. How Kraken handles fiat currency. Narrator, so, if Kraken doesn't have its own bank, how does it handle fiat currency? The answer lies in its banking partnerships. When you deposit fiat currency onto Kraken, it doesn't go directly into a Kraken-owned bank account. Instead, it's transferred to one of its partner banks. Narrator, these partner banks are regulated financial institutions that comply with all the necessary laws and regulations. They provide Kraken with the infrastructure needed to process fiat currency transactions. Part 4. The benefits of partner banks. Narrator, using partner banks offers several benefits for Kraken. First, it allows the exchange to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. These regulations are essential for ensuring the integrity of the financial system. Narrator, second, it provides Kraken with access to a wider range of financial services. For example, partner banks can offer services like wire transfers and international payments, which are crucial for a global exchange like Kraken. Part 5. Security and Trust. Narrator, one of the biggest concerns for many people is the security of their funds when using a crypto exchange. While Kraken doesn't have a traditional bank, it takes security very seriously. It employs advanced security measures to protect its customers' assets, including cold storage, multi-signature wallets, and regular security audits. Narrator, additionally, Kraken is regulated by various financial authorities around the world. This oversight provides an extra layer of security and trust. Conclusion. Narrator, so, to answer the question, does Kraken have a bank? Not in the traditional sense. Instead, it relies on a network of partner banks to facilitate its fiat currency transactions. This approach allows Kraken to comply with regulations, access a wider range of financial services, and ensure the security of its customers' funds. Narrator, while the myth of the Kraken Bank may persist, it's important to understand the reality. Kraken is a reputable exchange that operates within the boundaries of the law. By understanding how it handles fiat currency, you can make informed decisions about your crypto investments. Narrator, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.